morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, S&T squad? Welcome back to another video. It's your girl Sab, and look who graced us with his presence.
Wagwan.
If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. But don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you wish to become a part of the S&T squad. Today we are gonna do a bit of errands. A lot. Yeah. But really and truly, this video is not even really about the errands and stuff. I just had to do the intro because, guys, this morning I woke up and chose violence. I woke up and decided to mess with Anthony, so I'll be sharing that with you guys. Alright, so stay tuned. Look at the chef for this morning, guys.
I'm not a chef.
Yes, you're the chef. So me get sunflowers. Oh, secret admirer yesterday. Oh.
Who give flowers, babe?
A secret admirer. How am I supposed to know it says secret admirer?
Tell her this. We're married. Here, we're not a secret. Keep from one another.
It's not my secret. The person is the secret admirer. They didn't want me to know who it was. Probably they just liked me and they didn't want me to know. They left the flowers.
So, you know,
My
which part
office.
to get it?
Huh?
Leave it, which part you get it?
It was in my office.
Left it there.
But I already...
And who have access to your office?
everybody.
So, anybody just can walk in your office, so?
No.
Okay.
There are certain people that have access because, you know, just like how I have access to their office.
But once you're not in the office, can someone just walk in your office?
I mean, sometimes I'm just...
Babe.
I'm explaining.
No. Okay. Let me ask you a yes.
Yes. Do you want the explanation or no?
No, I care about the flowers.
If I sometimes I'm just stepping out for a split
Carry
second
back
and I
this.
don't close my door and somebody can just leave it there and
Care about the flowers.
why would I do that?
I know me give you. I know me give it to you.
Okay.
Bro, secret admire me rotted. Shut your ass.
Would you like to see the flowers?
You see it already.
Oh.
Me just did wait for the explanation. So whoever I keep secret,
He said I should return it.
return.
But return it to who? It's a secret admirer. I don't know who to return it to.
Wherever you get it.
So I should just leave it in my office.
Yes.
Just leave it in my office.
Mm-hmm.
So what's the difference if I have it here or just leave it in my office? I'm gonna see it every day.
I'm sure you can already.
Babe. babe. Enjoy.
Alright, there.
Ooh.
I hope when me start get secret admire I give and them thing that you know say nothing.
Babe, it's not a secret
Me
admirer.
say-
I'm only joking.
Me say I hope when me get my gifts from my secret admirer. You know, say nothing.
One of the nurses at work, her mom does flowers. She has a business and she just wanted to send us some flowers as a appreciation gift.
I don't believe that.
Everybody got a flowers that was at work yesterday. A bouquet. Oh. Guys, look at the window. All covered in snow. This is the first time this has happened. And I think because the winds are so high. Ooh, the wind is so strong it's getting the door. I guess Mother Nature is not done with us yet. We just got a blizzard like 2 days ago. And it's snowing again this morning. But still have to make it into work.